What's the biggest challenge you face in OET Reading A? Time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a text quickly so that you can achieve all the questions in the 15 minutes. Let's go. Hello, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation providers. If you're studying for OET, you are in the right place. Make sure you subscribe for updates on all new videos to our YouTube channel, and do check out our website. We've got a variety of packages to help you pass your OET exam. Let's go. What is scanning? So scanning is a fast reading technique which we use to find specific information in a text. Everyday examples of scanning are looking a word up in a dictionary, reading a bus timetable, or finding your name on a list. So how do you scan a text? Let's take a look. First, you need to identify the section of the text that you need to read. Then move your eyes quickly around the text and stop reading when you find what you need. This is when you read more slowly to check the details. For example, here we have a bus timetable. If you were leaving from Newtown and needed to get to Newtown Airport by 10:15, you would scan to find Newtown Airport, look for a time that arrives before 10:15, for example, the bus that arrives at 9:59. You would then scan to see what time that bus leaves from Newtown, which is 9:02. It's a good idea to use your finger or a pen to help you scan. What do you use? Let me know in the comments. Now your turn. Imagine you are travelling from Newtown Hospital to Greenville, arriving by 10. What time does the bus leave? So, travelling from Newtown Hospital to Greenville, arriving by 10, the bus leaves at 8:46. So in Reading A, you need to use scanning skills to find the answers to short answer questions and sentence completion tasks. Let's take a look at that now. First of all, you need to look at the question and decide on the keywords which will help us decide what we need to scan for. So, first we can see that we're looking for a noun, an object to elevate a patient's leg. And the keywords are elevate and fractured leg. These words will help us locate the information in the text. Now, look at the title of the text. We are most likely to find this information in text B, Guidelines on the Management of Simple Fractures. We know it won't be in immediate management or assessment, so we quickly scan through the text. So we scan through the text to find the relevant section. It won't be immediate management or assessment. So here on management, we'll scan for the words which will help us find the answer. For example, we've got elevate the limb. We know from the keywords that we're looking for something to elevate the fractured leg. So we need to read more carefully here. We can see leg injuries at the end of the sentence. And so the object to use is a pillow. And this is the answer. So we know it won't be immediate management or assessment, so we quickly scan through the relevant section on management and scan for the words which will help us find the answer. Okay, so let's try that again for the next question. First, look at the question. We can see we need to look specifically for the maximum dose of morphine per kilo, and the other keywords which will help us is through the IM intramuscular route. From the titles of the text, we can see that we're most likely to find this in text C. So you try. Scan to find the information about morphine dosages and the intramuscular route. What do you think the answer is? Did you find it? So, here we can see the column route of administration and the IM route. When we look in the next column, recommended dosage, we can see the range of dose per kilo, and the maximum dose per kilo is 0.2 milligrams, and that's the answer. So how can you improve? Practice scanning as much as possible to improve your speed in this skill. You can use OET text and scan for high-frequency words. Use text from Part A. For example, here you could scan for all the mentions of burn, or perhaps tissue. Even Part C text can be used for scanning practice. Right, you have 15 seconds now. Scan this text for all the mentions of allergic or allergy. Did you find them all? Use patient.info or the NHS website to scan for high-frequency words such as medications, body parts or symptoms. You have a try. Scan through the text quickly as possible and find all of the signs and symptoms of a fractured leg. Which ones did you find? Here they are. You might use word searches to practice. You can create your own using online word search creators and practice scanning for healthcare words, such as this one, where you could scan for words relating to gastroenterology. Top tips for scanning. Always identify keywords first, so you know exactly what type of information you're looking for, and the keywords will help you find this information. When practicing your scanning skills, set yourself a time limit. Train yourself to improve your skill and speed. Practice, practice, practice. It's something that you don't have to do for long periods of time, but regular practice is key. So how do you scan? I'd like to know if you use your finger, a pen, or any other methods to do it quickly. Let me know in the comments below. And if you want help to boost your OET score, do check out our website, the link's below. We've got lots of courses, 1 month, 3 month subscriptions, and one-to-one tuition. So do go and take a look. Please like and share so we can help more people achieve success in the OET exam. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hello, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation Providers. If you're planning to... What was the first one? I didn't say link below. It's okay. I'm not filming.